Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The garden is considered to be the most beautiful part of the house where we can take a break from the daily monotonous life and relax. It helps in making and mending bonds with the family members when the whole family gathers to chit chat in the garden. The garden can be beneficial in many known and unknown ways. It plays a significant role in maintaining good health and a pleasant environment. As urbanization is increasing gradually, the earth is losing all its greens green and so planting a few trees in the garden will also help mother nature to heal. And gardening is a good hobby because gardening is one of the prime focus of any house that soothes and the beauty in the whole home. Not only a garden trees to other eyes but also blessing to us as it provides us an opportunity to grow fresh vegetables and fruits. The freshly grown fruits and vegetables do not have any pesticides, insecticides, or any artificial colors which make it healthy and safe to consume for kids and other people. The garden also offers place for playing outdoor sports which encourage the sportive nature of the kids and also help them in keeping fit and active throughout the day. The kids can have fun in the garden by building tents and playing over there. Handling daily stress and tensions irritates and persons after a certain period. Garden offers an escape from the monotonicity of life and offers mental peace. People can also meditate in the garden and the maintain a proper garden. The skill of a gardener is needed regular moving of grass and watering plants in required in order to keep the greenery alive and the pests and disease free. Garden also provide a certain environment to calm the thanks